It has just leaked a photograph of what appears to be the second generation Google Pixel Fold. This photograph has been published by the Android Authority site, and in it you can distinguish a rather strange and peculiar design of the camera module, with two pills storing the cameras there. Although it seems to have only 3 cameras, but it is not able to distinguish so clearly. It could also be 4 cameras, including a periscope camera. Or it could be 3 cameras with an additional sensor, as is the case in the Pixel 8. It is expected that the new generation of the Google Pixel will also debut a new tensor processor, which has been commented that it could now be manufactured by TSMC instead of Samsung, which has been the company that has manufactured the Tensor since the beginning. But another thing that is reached to distinguish in this photograph would be a change in the proportion of the screen of this device, moving to a much more square format, similar to the OnePlus Open, or also known as Oppo Find N3. And that would be a radical change, because the first Google Pixel Fold has a much wider screen format, which in fact has been very much liked by users, and that is why it would seem very strange, this change. But obviously, we could be in front of only an initial test prototype, with which Google is working, but the design has not yet been defined. That we do not know, because remember that leak is not presentation. We have to wait because some point out that this new Pixel Fold could be announced during the Google I/O, which usually takes place in the month of May. Although knowing Google, it may be that during their Google I/O event, they simply give us a glimpse and present several things, but still not officially present it, and wait another few months more.